Hello folks, hope you're doing good. In this video, we will be creating the HelloWorld program in Java. So as you can see, I have opened my IntelliJ editor. And now let's click on New Project. You will have lots of options on the project type. Let's create a simple maven project. I am using Java 11 OpenJDK. Now let's click on the next button. This will ask you for the project name. Let's say simple project. And then click on Finish. This will create a simple maven project called Simple Project. As you can see, it will initialize the IntelliJ IDE specific files under .idea folder. Now it will by default open the pom.xml file. Now click on Source folder. You will find two folders, main and test. The main folder is where we write our application code, and the test folder is where we write the test cases for our application code. Now let's click on main. Here, the Java folder should have the source code, and resources will have other files like properties file, etc. Now let's create a new class called HelloWorld. As you can see, the public class name should match with the file name in Java. Now let's write the main method. Public static void main of string args. Public says that this method is callable from outside of this class. Static implies that this method can be called without creating an object of the class. Void implies that this method doesn't return anything. And the string args are the command line arguments that we pass to it. Now let's do system.out.println of hello world. Let's run this program by clicking on the green arrow next to the main method and see the output in the console. Hello world. Fantastic! You have written your first Java program. Well, that's all about it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And click on the bell icon to stay updated about my upcoming videos. Catch you in the next video.